Come here, baby. First one. Yeah, mama again. I don't know if I got him anymore.
Ah, you lost it.
Should I give it a little jerk?
Yeah, you got to set the hook.
Okay. Because I've been losing a lot. I think you're setting me up for failure.
You're doing a fine job by yourself.
Yeah, I think so. Jeez, I get so excited for nothing.
Good Lord, let me get out of the way.
Oh, that didn't go very well.
So I know that you've been fishing with me before, but this is the first time that you've been in the new boat fishing seriously, and seriously fishing.
Yeah, I've never fished in the boat.
Like this. So we've been trolling for bass, using some crankbaits that'll go down about 6 to 8 feet. The fish are sitting anywhere between 12 and 25 feet, so we might go a little deeper later, but we're doing extremely well. Yesterday we probably caught, or certainly hooked up 26, 27 fish in a matter of a few hours. So how do you feel about it all?
It's like, are you videotaping yourself?
I know.
I'm actually, surprisingly, I'm enjoying myself more than I thought. I only been in your boat once before, and that was the first time you took it out. But I am enjoying today, and I want to come back, and I want to come back here. It's quiet on the lake. The cabins are there. People are waving, which I'm sure they would do anywhere. But it's quiet. It's perfect. The water's low, so we may be able to go have lunch up on one of the beaches or something like that. I'm enjoying time with my husband. Don't tell him that, though. But, you know, I fish with you, so that means you have to craft with me.
Oh, hell no.
I could teach you a few things, Frank. You could
Maybe
probably
we could
use
craft
some
some lures.
Oh.
Some bait.
stuff. We could do that.
Could be a new hobby.
Could be a new hobby for you.
Yeah, just what I need.
Yeah. But no, having fun. Today is a contest to see who can get the most fish. And I mean, I won yesterday with the biggest. Frank got the most, so now we're going to try and reverse it. Gotta be coming. How much lines I put out? Oh, maybe I lost it.
No, you got a little guy.
Aww.
First one, though.
That new one, so I will. Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, he just jumped.
Did he?
Didn't he?
I didn't think so.
I saw something come up out of the water.
Could have, I really let the line out, so he's probably far away.
No, he's right there. He's right in front of you.
Is he?
Yeah, but the fish isn't. I don't think you have anything, do you?
I don't know.
Oh, you do. Well, you got too much line. You got too much line.
I don't know what that means.
It's too tight. That's okay.
Sorry. I didn't see it come up on me though. Water's so dark.
Well, that's why I was looking where you were looking. I was like, why are you looking over there? Nice fish, Joey, man. Oh, wait a second. I think I might have one. I said I might have one.
Oh, what's my line here?
I got something on the go. Just a little baby.
Oh. Oh, it's a perch.
Yeah.
You're good at getting the perch.
Okay, that's it. Hold on. You got him?
I don't know. Yep.
Okay, hang on.
Hurry up.
Yeah. A little guy, but still.
He's a fighter.
He's a total fighter.
Oh God, I hurt my arms.
Twelve and a half.
No, 12.
12, sorry.
Nice.
Trying to fight?
Oh. 4. Wait, still there. I don't want to lose you, baby. Plenty of fish in the sea, but I want you. Oh!
You lost it?
Oh, I did.
No!
It was a biggie. Oh, what a waste.
13 and a quarter
Oh, biggest one yet.
so far today. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the little bell so that you get notifications as to when I upload new video. As well, head over to my Facebook page, Adventures Outdoors with Frank Zinck, and my Facebook group, Camping Life. Camping Life is tips and recipes for camping with your family. Anyway, I hope you head over, say hello. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.